Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how I install Figma for free. As you already know, Figma is a very powerful tool and the good news is it's totally free. In this tutorial, I will give a walkthrough on how to install Figma for free. So let's jump into the video.
The first thing you need to do is to go to Figma's website, which is figma.com. Once you are on the website, they have this wonderful landing page with animations. Here they show what Figma is and what it does, why you want to use them, how you can use it. It has many cool features, which I am about to show you. Create an account in this Try Figma for free section. I am clicking continue with Google since I have a Gmail account. Once you created an account, you will be taken into Figma dashboard. In the left corner, near to the logo, you will see name and ID. You find community section also. Here you can search and install plugins, get free UI resources and connect with other designers. I have a full video on how to use this Contento plugin, link in the description. In the search section, you can find your recent files that you worked on, the files that you searched for and which are added to your dashboard. So both FigJam and design files are available here. This notification icon help you look for updates from the files that you and your team working on, like where they have edited and what are the changes made and comments if they provided. This new design file button is to create UI design by designers for both web and mobile applications. There is also prototype feature within this. This new FigJam file button is for taking notes, collaborating with your team of designers, developers and product owners. Used for rough sketching, running workshop and much more. It has predefined templates used for the above activities. They have templates for project management for tracking your project as well. If you are in a team of designers who want to collaborate among the team, this feature is amazing. For free account, they provide 3 Figma and 3 FigJam files for the use. You can also create a team by giving the name and email ID of them. This is the upgrade plan that they offer. I would suggest you to spend time with the application first with the starter plan before upgrading into professional or organization. To get the most out of Figma, you need to download a desktop application. To do this, click on the download app button in the top left corner of the screen. And there you have it. You can now have access to Figma for free. You can start using Figma to create beautiful designs for your project.
That's it for this tutorial on how I install Figma for free. And I have also give a short description about the application. Learn Figma from YouTube or any other community you are comfortable with. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more videos like this. And feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you later.